Bonjour, ça va mes étudiantes? Today we are going to do shopping, but the shopping of clothes. Okay, let's do how to do it in French language. Let's learn some phrases. First of all, bonjour, je voudrais. So this is the phrase I have already told you many times that whenever you want something, you should use je voudrais. Okay, it is a very polite form. So if you want to say somebody, okay, je voudrais un café, okay, and there is no need to add s'il vous plaît. Okay, similarly, when you are going to any shop, you should say bonjour monsieur or bonjour madame, je voudrais un t-shirt. Imagine we are talking about a t-shirt. So I want a t-shirt. Okay, now the seller is saying, oui, monsieur or madame, the quel couleur. Now he is saying in which color I have to show the t-shirt. So how to say the quel couleur, the quel couleur. Now the client is saying noir. Okay, noir. It is a t-shirt, so here it should be noir. So it's a black color. Okay, noir. Now again the seller is saying quelle taille, quelle taille. It means that which size. Petit, moyen. Moyen is like medium or grand. Now you should say moyen or petit or grand, whatever your size. Okay. Now the the seller is saying that voila, or t-shirt moyen or noir. So or t-shirt moyen or noir. So here is a t-shirt in medium size in black color. So this is the way to do that. Okay. Now the client is asking, c'est du coton. So it's of cotton. How to say c'est du coton? No. C'est du polycoton. C'est du polycoton. Okay. Let's read one more time. Bonjour, je voudrais un t-shirt. Oui, monsieur, madame, de quelle couleur? Noir. Et quelle taille? Petit, moyen, grand, moyen. Voilà un t-shirt moyen en noir. C'est du coton? Non, c'est du polycoton. Okay? Now it is saying, il coûte combien? So how much it is? What is the cost? So whenever you want to ask any cost, you will say, il coûte combien? Il coûte combien? So this is the price, 28 euro. Okay? Now, the client finds it very costly. So sometimes we say, do you have something less less costly or whatever, or cheap one? So we will say, avez-vous, or reasonable price, right? Avez-vous quelque chose de moins cher? Okay, so less costly. So avez-vous quelque chose? Do you have something? Avez-vous quelque chose de moins cher? Now he is saying oui, yes. J'ai un t-shirt. So I have a t-shirt, another t-shirt, mais je ne l'ai pas en noir. But it's not in black color because the customer is demanding in black color. So je ne l'ai pas en noir. So students who knows, this is pronoun. Pronoun. COD, COI जिनने किया है. This is COD and COI. So here I am not repeating my noun t-shirt. So rather than using t-shirt, I am using le. So I don't have it in color noir. How would you say in French? Je ne l'ai pas en noir. So it is very good usage of pronoun. Okay? Je ne l'ai pas en noir. So I am not repeating this. Okay? Et il coûte combien? Okay, then what is its cost? Il coûte combien? Alors, il coûte 14 euros. So it is like 50% less. Okay. Now the client is saying, vous l'avez. Again, le is talking about t-shirt. So do you have other color in it? So it is in this t-shirt. Vous l'avez en quelle couleur? Vous l'avez en quelle couleur? So en bleu et en vert. Okay. En bleu et en. Next one is le vert ne me va pas. So there are only two colors, vert, green, and blue. Now the client is saying, okay, so green doesn't suit me. So whenever you want to say it doesn't suit me, it doesn't go well on me, the phrase is ne me va pas and the name of that thing. So le vert ne me va pas. So ये मुझ पे जचता नहीं है. If you want to say this, le vert ne me va pas, je prends le bleu. So I'll take blue one. Okay. Now he is saying, the shopkeeper is saying, oh, le voilà, here it is. Merci, au revoir, bonne fin de journée. So we say bonne journée, but this is also when you are wishing someone good day in the sense bonne fin de journée. Okay? So please practice this conversation. Once you learn this, you learn how to do this. You can do shopping in any, like in French, in any country if you are visiting, or in practice. Okay? In your exam practice. Au revoir, à bientôt.